Okay, so you ready for the speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, could you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Priya Sharma.
Are you student or working somewhere at the moment?
Well, I work as a karate trainer nowadays.
Can you tell me about your job responsibilities very briefly?
Sir, ਹੁਣ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ properly?
Now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Generally, I work as a karate trainer, and I also have a lots of opportunity in my job. The first responsibility is I teach karate to
Hmm.
the students of schools or colleges,
Hmm.
and the first responsibility is I teach them how to maintain a discipline in their class or in their school. Apart from this, I also teach them the team spirit, how to motivate ourselves, and how to boost up their stamina up
Hmm.
and the last thing is this, and I also teach them how to learn a karate skill in
Hmm.
very proper way.
Okay. And why did you choose this profession?
I remember that I was in a sixth standard. Then Mr. Arjun Mashal taught me a karate training first,
Hmm.
and I remember that in the first day I had no interest in karate.
Hmm.
But when I saw that how to do self defense and how to maintain body and how to boost their stamina, then I choose karate. And after some days I had a keen interest in this field,
Hmm.
and I choose this thing as my profession.
Hmm. Great. Let's move on to have discussion on music. What kind of music do you like and why?
I like mostly Punjabi and Hindi song, and whenever I feel very bored, then I listen this kind of music.
Great. Is there any type of music you dislike?
The high beat music I not like, because I think that whenever I listen that kind of music, then I felt very I felt very
I feel
hectic.
मैंने उसमें बताया. Hmm.
Okay, I feel very low, and my whenever listen this type of music, then it hit my health.
Okay. Have you ever been to any live concert ever in your life?
I have never go in a live constant, but whenever I get a chance, then I never miss this
Mhm.
opportunity.
Great. Uh, what is the most popular type of music where you live?
I live in a Punjab, and my native language is Punjabi. And in my area, the Punjabi music is most popular.
Mhm.
And apart from this, Hindi is also our national language,
Mhm.
and Hindi music is also popular in my country.
If you get a chance to meet any singer or musician, who that would be and what you would do when you would meet him or her?
My favorite singer is Arijit Singh, and I listen a lots of song. I listen a lots of song, and whenever in a future I will get a chance to go their concert or to meet him, then I never miss this opportunity. I think that he is very good singer, and his voice is also very good and soft. Actually his voice touch my heart.
Okay, great. So this is end of your speaking part one. Now we would move to speaking part two, and I would like to give you a topic. So you can see the topic is on the screen. You have to talk about a new development in your city. It can be any shopping mall, any cinema hall, anything. It can be any library. So I'd allow you to think about this topic for 60 seconds, and then you can speak on this topic. So you can make some notes if you wish to do. Did you get my point?
Okay, sir.
Yes, please take time. Great. Ready?
Yes.
Please start speaking.
Journally development is very good for people. Here I would like to talk about the thing that is developed in my area. Well, the development thing is my local area school. I remember that last year in a 2016, I went to my local area school. Then I saw that there is no too much too much features or too much things that are helpful to student. But
Hmm,
I remember that in last week I went same school and I saw that there are ample of things that are changed
hmm,
now. Now the headmaster of this school is very hardworking, and he also support all the student, and he also help the student and never flaunt flaunt the things in front of other. And I saw that I saw that the school is now secondary school. But when I went in a 2016 in a school, the school was primary school. But now it's totally changed, and also new buildings are built in there. And I think that the all works are not completed, but after some year, the school is built in a very good way.
hmm,
And I think that this development is very beneficial for my locality, because I live in a countryside area. There is
hmm.
no too much opportunity for a student, and student
Okay,
go metropolitan area, and I think that it is good for
good.
student.
Okay, so thank you so much. And now I would like to ask you some questions in speaking part three. What can be improved in public transport services, in your opinion?
I think that the most thing that uh, development that is
Hmm,
must develop. The development is in a public transport area. The rate of the public transport is very expensive
hmm,
in my locality. So I think that it's not a good for local uh, people. And apart from this, I think that the buses of the my area is not good. The infrastructure of the bus is uh, in a bad condition. So I think that it's very important to change these things. And also the bus for the women or women's are personally are very good, because nowadays some women are not safe feel when they travel with men or men.
okay, so separate bus services should be initiated, right? Great. What leisure facilities can be used by people of all ages? Can you give me brief ideas about all the public facilities that can be used by each and everyone?
I think that the all developments are very necessary in areas, and that thing the human use in a daily routine, that's are very important to develop. For example, public transportation, schools and colleges. I think that they it should be developed, because if these kind of things are developed, then our locality is also motivate, and uh, our uh, our economy is also increase. Apart from this, the main thing uh, I also mention in their hospitals are hospitals.
Leisure
Say question
facility.
question.
I was asking you
Laser
about leisure facilities. Anyways, no problem.
सर फिर इतने मैं की बोल दी लेजर फैसिलिटीज
Leisure
मतलब फ्री टाइम.
facilities only, yeah. Leisure means something entertainment related, entertaining facilities. So you could speak like these are some common facilities which can be used by all age groups. For example, if there is a public garden in any locality, so It can be used by all categories of people, including old ones, youngsters, middle aged. So every kind of person can use it, right? So my question was like, tell some common leisure
Laser.
facilities that, yeah, that can be used for all aged people.